Analogy in figures. Let us see here. Here, this whatever the relation is there from first set, you must have the same relation in the second set. Now look at here M. The first letter M has water image in the right hand side. So likewise here A, what is its water image? The water image of A will be like this. So in which option it is given? So in option 1 as well as option 5. So I can eliminate option 2, option 3 and option 4. Now my choice is left in between 1 and 5. Look at the element D. Here the position of D has gone to the second position here. So the P has to go the second position. If you observe this D rotated anti-clockwise direction for 90 degrees. So here P has to rotate anti-clockwise. The symbol of P will be like this. So in which option is given? In option 1. So the answer is option 1. Now look at here carefully. A triangle, and he has taken water image and they submerged. So here I have to take this figure and water image and submerged. Simply by observing this, here line gap is there. So 1 is ruled out. Here is given both a triangle. So this is ruled out. Now coming to here. Here is given triangle and this portion. So ruled out. We won't get a star here. By looking, simply you can say that option 3. Now coming to third question. See here. If you observe these two figures, what happened? This figure is rotated anti-clockwise 90 degrees. The bottom figure went to top. So here this has to be rotated 90 degrees. So it has to move top. Okay. So in which option it has moved top like this? See, anti-clockwise 90 degrees. So anti-clockwise 90 degrees. It will be like that. So I can eliminate option 1. Similarly, I can eliminate option 3. I can eliminate option 4. Now the choice left over is here is 2 and 5. Here if you observe this, arrows are outward, here is arrows are inward. When there is a outward, it become inward. So when they are inward, it has to be outward. So option 2 is ruled out. So the answer is option 5. Now coming to fourth one. See here, what is the relation we'll get here? If you observe, look at the figure carefully. See here, whatever the circle and this, they got interchanged. Similarly, these two opposite figures got interchanged. Here empty space and square, these has to be interchanged. So this has to be interchanged. Let us concentrate here. First triangle has to go up and square has to come down as it is. Okay. So if you look at those figures, so here triangle is not there, ruled out. Here triangle, square are there, here triangle, so this is ruled out. If you look at the symbol 3 dots, whatever the dots are there, the same position is given here. So I have to get the same triangle like this. So here the triangle is pointing towards downward direction. So option 3 and option 4 are ruled out. The answer is option 2. If I have any doubt, let us cross check once again. These two got interchanged, yes, satisfying. Now this triangle and dots has to get interchanged, yes, which is satisfying. Empty space and circle has to got interchanged, empty space and this. So option 2 is an answer. Now coming to here, look at the figure carefully. The rightmost bottom, okay, remains same. So here my square has to remain same. Here I have to get square. Okay, here I have to get square. So what are the options I can eliminate? I can eliminate 1, 2 as well as 5. Now look at the other options. Here the first position, it means leftmost top has become rightmost top. Here what is the leftmost top? Circle. So here it has to come here. So the circle has to come here. So between 3 and 4, where it is satisfying? In option 4. So 4 is my answer. 3 is ruled out. Now coming to sixth one. So here in the circle 2 lines, here it is given 2 lines and rightmost bottom is shaded. So here 3 lines, I have to get 3 lines like this, 2, 3 and similarly 3 lines like this, 1, 2, 3 and it has to get shaded. So in each option it is given that. So option 5. See if I look at here, there is only 2 lines, here 3 and 2. So this is ruled out. 2 2 and 1 ruled out. This is entirely changing the figure, so ruled out. The answer is option 5. Let us go with 7th one. See, look at here carefully. Now the symbols are remain same. Leftmost symbol has become right here, so this has to become right here. Okay, right side. So in which figure it is given right? Only 2 and 5. So I can rule out option 1, option 3, option 4. Now here the second figure remains the same, so I have to get the second figure remains same. So between 2 and 5, in which the second figure remains same? Only in option 2. So option 5 is ruled out. The answer is option 2. Now coming to 8th one. What he did, if you look at the figure, he's broken this figure like this, and what he did, he tilted the figure. Okay, I mean, after breaking that, he's rotated this in this direction and this in this upward direction. Okay, now I will break this. What happens if I rotate in the same direction? The figure will appear like this first of all. Okay, based on this, what are the options I can eliminate? I can eliminate 4 as well as 5. Now look at here. This triangle is pointing towards upward. Here the triangle is pointing towards downward. Here this is moving pointing towards downward. So in the figure it has to show upward direction. In which figure it is showing upward direction? So option 2 only. So these are ruled out. Clear? Next. 9th one. See, look at here carefully. The topmost figure become bottom, and bottom figure has become top. What is the rotation? First is taking the water image of this and taken the mirror image. First is taken water image and then mirror image. Here similarly a water image. What is the water image of that? The dot will come here. For example, the dot will come here, and the figure will be like this. This is the water image. And what is its mirror image will become? It will dot here and darker circle here. So in each option it is given like that, option 4 and 5. So I can eliminate option 3, option 2 and option 1. He is taken water image followed by mirror image. Now this has to come bottom. It means, now look at here carefully. This star is moving left hand side here. If we are coming to here, it has become right hand side. So this square is moving showing left. So here I have to get the square as right. So here it is not showing square right hand side. It remains the same. So this is ruled out. So the choice left here is option 5. Now look at here carefully. What is given? Simply it is nothing but mirror image, or you can say that the top two figures got interchanged, bottom two figures got interchanged, or you can say that mirror image. So I have to get x here divided by here, plus here, minus here. Which option we got? Into minus plus dot. Option 2 is an answer. Let us go for 11th. See here, there are two semicircles given here and he joined a circle. Similarly, here these two are there. It tilt like this and tilt this like this. I'm getting some closed figure like this. So which option is given? Option 3. Here what he did, once again look at here. So he's rotated here like this. This figure is rotated like this, and this figure rotated like this. So the reason you're getting a circle. Okay. Similarly, this we have to rotate like this. It means it will become, the figure will become like this, and this will. So option 3 is an answer. Next, look at here carefully. This is a point, line is given arrows. So this is the line, has to give arrows. So my figure should contain like this. So option 4 is my answer.